Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Eliana from class G in 6th semester. So in this video, I will explain about the article that I found before. Okay, let's start it. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. So here, the article that I found before the title is about boosting vocabulary learning through self-assessment in an English language teaching context. And then this is the article. The article has been indexed by Scopus. I have checked it. You can see here the journal is Assessment and Evaluation in Higher Education. And the article is indexed by Scopus. Okay, next. So about the article, this study is explore the influence of self-assessment of vocabulary competence on a group of students. Oral fluency 24 young adult learners participate in a learning process that promoted in their oral and skill and vocabulary development. And studying researching the weakness and strength of learning in relation to competencies, vocabulary, and fluency as part of the first stage, students organize their own performance, uncovering learning strength and weakness and initiating a process of self-improvement that convey responsibility on their part. That is about the article. And then is purpose of the article. What is purpose of this article? The article is aimed at determining the influence that the implementation of student vocabulary self-assessment has on the development of oral fluency in a group of young adult English learner teachings at Technical University. And this article is discuss how to assess self-learning, not only limited to mere reflective practice, whether it implies process development, systematic and clinical in which students gradually become able to monitor themselves and assess and react to their advantages in language and their learning. That is about the purpose of this article. And then research methodology. What is research methodology? This research in this article is using qualitative research with a mixed method approach, and 24 young adult students from a technical institute in Bogota, Colombia, participate in this study. And the students between the age of 18 and 25 pursuing a proficiency center program because of their personal need to obtain better job opportunities. And then about research implementation. The implementation lasts for 6 weeks, 1 academic semester, and begin with the pre-test activities, given that the ultimate goal for the learner is improve their oral fluency. And they were asked to record their insight into in a given topic, guide their oral discourse with a set of keyword region in a 2-minute preparatory stage. And from the 2nd to the 4th week, the learner is trained in the use of the 3 common vocabulary learning strategies: use dictionaries, inference, and notebook vocabulary. And at the same time, the content of the lesson is focused on social problems such as stereotype and discrimination. And at the end of the session, each student fills out a log learning in which they express their opinion regarding the experience, learn vocabulary inside and outside the classroom. And the last survey recorded student insight about use of self-assessment and its effect on their language learning. Okay, and the last is the final result. The final result from this article is from the qualitative data analysis. It was found that the participant considered self-assessment as a positive strategies that support vocabulary learning, fluency development, and their overall language process. In addition, quantitative data analysis is useful for distinguish students' perception from their actual performance, and especially in development of fluency and vocabulary use. As a result, when assessing their own vocabulary, students go through a process that is divided into several stages, where they examine their learning, their weakness and strength in relation to vocabulary competence and fluency, and creating their personal commitment. Okay, I think that's all my explanation about this article. If you have any question, you can ask for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So can you hear my voice?
Do you have question?
Yes, I have one question for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay, my question is, in this research article, it seems to have many strategies, right?
Yes.
So can you mention and explain the strategy more clearly for me? Thank you.
Okay, I will answer your question. Okay, you're right. In this article, it have many strategies. And here in this article, we have three strategies. In this study, students are trained in the use of three vocabulary learning strategies: notebook vocabulary, inference, and dictionary use. So self-assessment is, since a strategies extensive learning is divided into three main stages in which students can begin self-regulate and monitor their vocabulary learning, and with the ultimate goals of improving oral fluency forever. And the author argues that vocabulary learning should not be limited to the area, and that students will be encouraged to use different techniques that facilitate the practice of different features and of word knowledge according to need and their learning style. So basically, importantly, it based on the premise that strategies are consciously or chosen by individuals who pay attention to their own learning styles and thus condition methodology. I think that's all my answer. Can you get it?
Yes, thank you for the answer. I can understand.
Okay, thank you. I think that's all my explanation. Thank you for your coming, Monica. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome.
Okay.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.